Welcome back to another tap tutorial. Welcome to another series where we're gonna learn how to do wings. So to break it down, it's a scrape, spank, and land. The scrape of a wing should be done on the outside edge of your ball tap. There should be a distinctive scrape sound. The other two sounds should be on the flat surface of your toe tap. So once you understand the basic concept of a wing, you can start with some drills of just doing the movements on one foot, remembering you will be doing this in one jump. So to get used to the feeling, really using your plie and bending your knees at the points of which you would be jumping. Now taking out your bar or chair or whatever you can use, it's time to start attempting on both feet. Now some of the most important key elements is getting enough height so that you can get all three sounds, while also doing it quick enough so that it's a fluid motion in just one jump. The first tip is to push into the ground, because the more force you have, the higher you'll launch up. And yes, your foot will sickle a little bit, but try not to roll your ankle. Your arms should be coordinated with your feet. You'll circle them around you, and they'll give you momentum at the peak of your jump. And if done correctly, you'll have yourself one fluid movement.